Hey guys, what's going on? So after this winter, I noticed that my pool liner needs to be replaced. The water level's been going down, down, and down. And I kind of noticed this actually last year at the tail end of the summer. I kept refilling my pool, refilling it, was adding water to it half the summer. So this is going to be today's project, ripping this old liner out and putting a new one in. Happy times. So I drained the pool, cut the old liner out of it, put my new liner in, and getting her filled back up. So that racket that you hear is my shop back right here, my rigid shop back. So leave this running when you put your liner in, and it'll help to suck out all the wrinkles, and it'll suck the liner nice and close to the sides of the pool. You've got to duct tape the opening here, and then your return, you got to duct tape the return so it creates that vacuum tight seal, or somewhat vacuum tight. So if you're replacing a pool liner, when you're putting the liner back in, it's kind of how you go about it, and it's how I did my last one. It created like a nice wrinkle-free liner, and it was awesome. We enjoyed it for 11 years. 11 years later, I'm doing it again. This is the way I like to cut the skimmer in. I don't know if this is the best way, but this is the way I do it. Petrified to cut that hole before it's bolted into place. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So this is the second liner I put in this pool. So what I'll usually do is I'll put the skimmer on, the bracket on and everything, put the gasket in place, kind of go through and bolt everything together. And then take my utility knife and trim out the opening. I'm still filling the pool up right now, and I don't want this liner to move. So utilizing this method will hold everything into place. I didn't want to not do this and then have the liner flex or anything. The pool's halfway full, so it shouldn't move, but I'd rather not take the chance. So usually I'll just go right through the faceplate like this. Cut my opening. And I'm gonna trim this up in a minute once I put the camera down. But then, like that, I'll trim this in a second. Got my opening. The liner is not going to move. It's all bolted into place. And that's just the way I like to do them. So I hope this helps some of you guys out putting a pool liner in for the first time, or maybe even 11 years later like I am, and you kind of forgot what you did in the first place. That worked out well. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.